Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com, the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, we're coming here with another product. This is from Kinivo, and this is Kinivo.com. You can go to their website and check out all the products they have there. This is a 300 dual band wireless N USB adapter you can take and plug into your device. This will give you the support for 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz dual band and everything else that comes with it. Blazing fast wireless speeds up to 300 megabytes per second. It'll give you dual band support. It gets improved signal and fast speeds for Wi-Fi. Very easy to set up from what we found from it. It's compatible with 8 Windows and 8.1 in Windows, Windows 7, Windows Vista, and it also has WEP, WPA, and WPA2 encryption for security. So this thing was really easy to use for us. We just plugged it right into our laptop, and it immediately sensed it through Windows 8.1, and we had no problems with it, and it just rock and rolled. We didn't really have to download the software or install the thing. It comes with a 1-year warranty. We didn't have any problems with it. It even has a WPS button on the side if you want to activate the touch to automatically configure the network. But we didn't have any problems. We just plugged it in. Away we went. It was simple, easy, and a no-brainer. Highly recommend it. Go to Kinivo.com. That's Kinivo.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. Chris Voss tested, Chris Voss proved. Be sure to check in the ChrisVossShow.com often. Give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube. We'll see you next time.